Ray, you saw these and wanted them. Over the house?
Yeah. What is that?
The Polly Pocket House.
That pocket house again.
Remember you saw Annie, how it hung upside down?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Coco's opening his now. He looks excited.
Batman and a bat motorcycle.
But it's not the back, Mom.
Just pictures.
What's this, Mom?
Oh, that's a DVD for the superheroes.
Oh.
That's cool.
I always want this for my birthday.
You always wanted that for your birthday?
Coco, can you hold up for the camera? Good job.